Hello students, the chapter Magnet and Magnetic Properties of Electric Current. In this video, we will discuss about magnet and magnetic properties. Then first of all, what is magnet? A magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field is invisible, but it is responsible for the most notable property of a magnet, a force that pulls on other ferromagnetic materials such as iron and attracts or repels other magnets. Okay, so first of all, we will see a short video on magnet. My dear students, you know there are two ends of a magnet, that is north pole and south poles. Like poles repels each other and unlike poles attract each other. Metallic ball deflected by a magnet compass which shows always north and south, but when comes in contact of other strong magnet, it deflects from its right direction from north to south. Because compass, which is also a very weak magnet, and it is under the influence of other strong magnet. Okay, then we have seen a short video on magnet. My dear students, there are various types of magnets like horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, disc magnet, ring magnet, cylindrical magnet, etc. This is the basis of categorization of magnets are their shapes. But basically there are three types of magnets. First, temporary magnet, permanent magnet, and electromagnet. Okay, students, you know there are two poles or ends of magnet, that is north pole and south pole. Okay, north pole, south pole. Like poles always repel each other and unlike poles always attract each other. Then first of all, we will discuss about attractive properties of magnet. Magnet attracts some ferromagnetic substance like iron, cobalt, and nickel. The magnetic field is very strong on its ends, that is on poles, but magnetic field is weak rather than other surfaces of magnet. It means if we place a magnet nearby iron filings or ferromagnetic materials, most of iron filings cling or attached to the ends of magnet, that is on the poles, but not rather than poles. Okay, reason on the poles magnetic field is very strong in comparison to other surfaces of magnet. Directive properties. If we suspend a magnet freely and rotate it, then after various many rotations, it comes into rest in a particular direction, and it shows always north and south direction. Okay, this property is known as directive properties of magnet, and this directive properties of magnet is used in compass needle or simply compass to determine the direction. Attractive or repulsive properties of magnet. Unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. In the first case, you are saying south and north poles are closer, then they attract. But in this another case, south poles are closer, then they repel each other. Magnetic field lines. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field, a region around a magnet in which another magnet realizes or experiences magnetic force of attraction or repulsion when brought in its region. In this field is known as magnetic field. Okay, then magnetic field forms invisible imaginary lines that are known as magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines originate from north and enter in south pole of magnet outside the magnet, but inside the magnet direction of magnetic field lines is from south to north inside the magnet. Therefore, magnetic field lines forms a circular loop and discontinuous loop. Okay, the number or density of magnetic field lines indicates the strength of magnetic field, that is weak magnetic field or strong magnetic fields. The point or surface or area or region where number of magnetic field lines are more in number, then there is strong magnetic field, and the point or region where number of magnetic field lines are less, then there is weak magnetic fields. My dear students, you are seeing in this picture a magnet is placed and some iron fillings are sprinkled on the magnet. Okay, so then the shape of magnetic field lines, friends, is this type. Okay, and you are seeing, you are observing the maximum iron filings are attached or cling on the ends or poles of magnet in comparison to other surfaces of magnet rather than poles. This shows the magnetic field is strong at poles of magnet. So, that's why maximum iron filings attached to poles of magnet. When a bar magnet or Freely magnet is suspended with the help of thread and is rotated, then after various rotations it always aligns along the north-south direction, always, not other direction. Why? What is its reason? The reason of alignment of magnet along north-south pole is magnetic behavior of Earth. Earth behaves just like a bar magnet is buried under the earth. Applications of magnet. There are various applications of magnet. Magnets are applied in debit or credit cards in the form of magnetic strip to store the data. Magnets also applied or used in compass needle to indicate the direction. Magnet is also used in the form of magnetic ink, which is also known as MICR code, that is magnetic ink character recognition code, which are valuable documents, which are used in valuable documents. Okay, magnets are widely used in speakers. Magnets are widely used in hard disk of computer. Magnet is also used in MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, which is used for MRI scanning or CT scanning. Magnets are also used in motor, electric motor and electric generator to produce electric current.